Come test drive the 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, mirror memory. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.